just kids playing outside, but that is Junebug's pretty typical reaction to hearing sounds outside. Rhoda has never barked a day in her life. And if she learns, I'm going to be pretty upset. Junebug. Hi. How about you don't? How about you don't? Huh? How about it? How about no? Oh. How about no? How about no? You can see she pretty much wants to hang out right next to me most of the time. And the noises are still happening, and she's decided that it's not worth her barking over anymore, so I guess that's good. See what happens when Rhoda comes over to me. Does she try to guard me? Rhoda! 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 Come here. Hmm? That's the sound of her dragging her leash, since I have them home alone. It's Junebug looking at Rhoda.